So hey guys, I hope all are doing well. So in today's video actually I'm going to talk with you in a normal way. It's just a casual video which I have planned to shoot. Okay, just give you some motivation and just tell you some plans which I am planning for you. Okay, so as we know that here from the last 3 to 4 months when we have initiated our channel. So from that time we are just uploading the videos on fire and safety. It means sometime fire content, sometime safety content. Okay, so when we are doing something on a continuous basis, it may be anything, it may be your gym, it may be your studies and all. So sometimes we require motivation. Okay, because if you are doing something in a continuous way, at that time there will be one stage. At that time you will get bored. Okay, so just going to give you some motivation. Just I will try to give you some motivation. Okay, so see guys, whenever you study, whenever you are studying, self study is required. Okay, when I have started my journey in the safety, okay, so some guys are there. Okay, some my relatives are there. They also told me to go for self study. Okay, so now at this particular stage, I am realizing the importance of self study because yeah, if you are not doing self study, just on relying on YouTube videos, it may be coming from any channel, it may be from my channel only, then your knowledge will be sometimes minimized. Okay, so at that time you require self study to grasp all the knowledge. Now you will think that we only study on safety and fire. It is not like that. Yeah? It may be anything. Okay, for example, now you can see one bookstall like that structure is there. Okay, so you may be having some questions what I am studying here. So it's around night 11 o'clock. Okay, so everybody is asleep. Some 2 or 3 guys will be there who are working or they may be teachers. So now what I am studying here is at night 11 o'clock. You will be watching that video tomorrow, I think so, in Sunday. So see, some books which I am studying here is chemical process safety. So I am not just promoting that video. It's just what I am studying. I am just sharing with you. And some more books are there which is related to function safety in the process industries. Afterwards, hazard analysis technique in system safety. These are some confidential books which I cannot disclose. It's on fire protection. Okay. And these are some CSP and NIBOSH related material. And one important more thing is fire debris analysis or fire investigation, which is again a crucial part in the field of fire protection. So in my stage, when I was doing my degree at that time, so whenever I got pocket money, so some amount of that pocket money I used to save for these books. Okay, in a single way, I didn't purchase these books. These are some of the content which I purchased during my graduation. So at the time, whenever you have some sort of money, just save it from some money from that. Okay, and just involve in your studies. Just take some printouts of any safety related material, maybe or any safety on fire protection, and read that. Okay, don't just think that it is your function safety. What will I do? Just your ultimate aim is to enhance your knowledge. It may be anyhow. Okay, so self study is the must thing, guys. If you just want to do job, then it's okay. But if you want to do something big in your life, something big, I hope you understood. Okay, then self study is required. Okay, because a lot of things are there in safety that you need to know apart from normal cranes, PPs and all, whatever nowadays taught by others. Okay, a lot of things are there which you need to know. Now, important thing is there regarding the program. Actually, I was planning for a program to start. Okay, now what is the meaning of that program? So see, previously we have started one program that is called Safe Talks. So in that what I have planned is I will take the news on a weekly basis to you, safety related news. So as you know that gatherings, these news are very tough in the field of safety because a lot of materials is for paid customers only. So I have converted this program Safe Talks into a other approach. Okay, so as you know that, just hear it clearly guys, you are also learning on the daily basis from your side, from your studies, from your college, from your day-to-day life activities with regards to safety, as well as I am studying from these materials. So what I will do in Safe Talks is I will just give you that knowledge what I have learned in a 5 important points. For example, today I learned 20 topics, 20 new topics. So out of that 20 topics, 5 best topics I'll cover to you. Means morning will be one video and evening will be one video of Safe Talks. What I have studied, I will just convey what I have studied as well as what is the meaning of that. So out of that, these 5 points, if you are interested to grasp something, you can start researching on that. As well as if you want a specific video on that topic, you can just comment to me. Okay, as well as I also want something from you. Because if I am giving something to you, you also have a responsibility to give me something. Okay, what I want is, whatever the video of Safe Talks will be coming, it may be, we are starting from tomorrow, I think so, probably. Okay, so whatever you have learned, okay, whatever it is, you just need to comment over there because I'm reading all your comments. Whatever it is, I'm reading as well as replying also most of the comments. Okay, so if I found something new, I will also learn from that. It should be an exchange of knowledge. Okay, so again, it's a very new program, guys. I hope you will support me in this program. Okay, so the program name will be the Safe Talks. Okay, which will be starting from tomorrow. Daily around evening 10, there will be one video. It may be a small video with regard to 5 to 6 minute video duration will be there. 5 new topics what I have studied I will convey to you, and 1 or 2 how many topics you have learned per day you will convey to me through the comments. Okay, so guys, this is the full analysis of this topic or video. I hope you got motivated as well as you got some new knowledge. So thanks for watching here. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. Meet you in the next video. So thank you for watching.